As a Houston homeowner, maintaining your home is essential to preserving its comfort, efficiency, and value. One often overlooked area is the condition of your windows. Over time, windows can deteriorate and become less effective at keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. If you're noticing issues with your windows, it may be time to consider a replacement. Here are the top signs that indicate it's time to replace the windows in your Houston home. Increased energy bills. One of the most common signs that your windows are in need of replacement is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. If your windows are old, worn out, or improperly sealed, they can allow heat to escape during the winter and let hot air into your home during the summer. This can cause your HVAC system to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher energy costs. In Houston, where temperatures can soar in the summer and dip in the winter, keeping your home insulated is crucial. Energy-efficient windows can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems and ultimately saving you money. Drafts and uneven room temperatures. Have you noticed cold or warm drafts in your home, no matter how high you set the thermostat? This is a sure sign that your windows are no longer providing a proper seal. Drafts can occur when window seals break down over time or if the window frames become warped. This leads to uneven room temperatures, which can be uncomfortable and inefficient. If you feel a noticeable temperature difference near your windows or can feel drafts around the edges, it's time to start considering window replacement. New windows with modern seals can eliminate drafts and help regulate the temperature throughout your home. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Another common problem with aging windows is difficulty opening, closing, or locking them. Over time, the materials in the window frame can warp, swell, or shrink, making it hard to operate the window properly. If you're struggling to open or close your windows or they don't stay securely shut, it's not only inconvenient but can also compromise your home's security. Windows that are difficult to open can be a safety hazard in the event of an emergency. For example, if you need to quickly exit your home during a fire or other emergency, you want to ensure that your windows can open without resistance. Replacing these old, malfunctioning windows will restore the functionality and safety of your home. Visible damage or wear. Houston's intense weather, particularly the heat, humidity, and occasional storms, can take a toll on your windows. Over time, you may notice visible damage such as cracked glass, rotting frames, or peeling paint. These are clear signs that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Not only does this affect your home's curb appeal, but damaged windows also compromise the insulation and security of your home. Cracks and gaps in the glass or frame allow moisture and air to infiltrate, which can cause further damage to your home. If your windows are showing significant signs of wear, replacing them can prevent more costly repairs down the road. Outside noise is noticeable. If you're noticing more outdoor noise than usual, whether it's traffic, lawnmowers, or neighbors, you might have inadequate windows. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, provide little to no soundproofing. Modern double or triple pane windows are designed to reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Replacing your windows with noise-reducing, energy-efficient options can enhance your comfort and provide a more serene atmosphere inside your home, even in busy areas of Houston. Condensation between window panes. If you notice condensation or fog between the panes of glass in your windows, it's a sign that the seals have failed. This occurs when the gas between the panes escapes, allowing moisture to enter and form condensation. Not only does this create an unattractive appearance, but it also affects the energy efficiency of your windows. Once the seals fail, your windows will no longer be able to maintain the insulating properties that are crucial to regulating indoor temperatures. If you're seeing persistent condensation, it's time to replace those windows with new, more effective ones. You're ready for an update. Lastly, if your windows are outdated and no longer match the aesthetic or style you want for your home, it might be time for an upgrade. Modern windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and colors that can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal and interior design. Whether you're looking for a more modern, sleek look or want to increase the resale value of your home, new windows are a smart investment. Conclusion: if you're experiencing any of these signs, it may be time to replace your windows. Not only will new windows improve the comfort and energy efficiency of your Houston home, but they will also enhance its aesthetic and value. Consider consulting a window replacement professional to assess your home's needs and find the best solution for you. Taking care of your windows today can save you money and stress tomorrow, keeping your home in top condition for years to come.